Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update from the National Works Agency on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. The NWA is calling for the continued patience of commuters and other stakeholders as work progresses on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Program. Carrying out construction activities in an environment where persons reside, traverse, and operate businesses within the same space poses a set of unique difficulties to navigate. However, despite these hurdles, the NWA remains committed to its ambitious goal of creating 4 driving lanes from Harborview to Yallas by the end of August. In addition to the roadway enhancement being undertaken, the integrated infrastructure project also involves the upgrade of water facilities, sewer drainage, and fiber cable ducts, which possesses another set of unique challenges. The agency continues to work diligently in collaboration with key partners such as the National Land Agency, the National Water Commission, contractors, consultants, as well as utility companies, Jamaica Public Service Company, Flow, and Digicel, in ensuring the timely installation and relocation of affected utilities. The NWA recognizes the importance of maintaining physical access as well as essential services such as electricity, water, sewer, cable, internet, etc. throughout the project's duration. As a result, the agency continues to work hand in hand with local communities and businesses to minimize disruptions. The overarching objective of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Program is to enhance the alignment and capacity of the existing Southern Coastal Main Arterial Road. As the project progresses, the NWA remains steadfast in its commitment to completing the project in the most effective and efficient manner possible. Alright guys, so that's the latest update from the NWA. And the NWA was put in charge of this highway project recently. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Enjoy the rest of the video. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll give you weekly updates on this project until it is finished. Alright guys, have a good day.